Are you looking to have the country club lifestyle without the country club fees? Well, welcome to Del Webb Nocatee, my newest listing, 46 Country Brook Avenue. This home has it all, well beyond any builder upgrades. Let's check it out today. So just under 3,400 square feet, this home has it all. It's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, but it also has an office and a loft upstairs, a pool, so much to show. Let's get into it right now. So first off, I want to let you know this is not the builder grade flooring. All the original flooring was ripped out, and we have a wide plank luxury vinyl upgraded flooring throughout the home. Okay, as you enter the home, to the left, you have your private office space with built-ins. Nothing is spared in the upgrades of this home. Across from the office den, of course, is your perfect guest bedroom. This is a king-size bed, so very spacious, light and bright. All the closets have custom built-ins as well, and your guests will enjoy the privacy of having their own bathroom. Coming out of your 3-car garage with all the built-ins as well as epoxy, you have your laundry room to the right, of course with the sink, quartz countertops and built-ins, drop zone, coat closet, everything you can need in a home of this caliber. Of course, can't forget to mention also a central vac that was added to this home as well. Here we are in the central heart of this home, a very big open floor plan. This way you can enjoy kitchen, living, and dining all in one open space. So upgrades in the kitchen galore. You have the oversized island with quartz countertops, a beautiful walk-in pantry, again with the built-ins. You've got the Wolf gas stove appliance, again more upgrades. The Bosch dishwasher as well, no expense spared. Formal dining with lake views and pool views. Plenty of room for guests, yet still part of the action here in the central part of the home. One of my favorite things, of course, of all with this amazing outdoor living is the pocket sliders. Again, this is an extension of your living space. No carpeting in the primary, oversized, beautiful lake views with plenty of light and bright natural light coming in. You have a nice, beautiful bathroom here in the primary as well with the 0 entry shower, double vanity, plenty of drawers, and then of course the upgraded walk-in closet with all the built-ins. Very unique for Del Webb Nocatee. You have a nice spacious loft area upstairs as well as an additional bedroom and bathroom. One of my favorite features of this home particularly is not only just one walk-in closet but another walk-in closet for storage as well. Again, these are all unique qualities you're not going to find in a home in Del Webb Nocatee. Plenty of space for additional family visiting, grandkids, whatever it may be. Another thing is no carpeting. Outdoor living at its best, no expense spared in this home. You have your outdoor kitchen with Blaze products. You have your dining area. Did I mention the pocket doors, an extension of living, screened in lanai, the hot tub, the regular pool that's heated as well, and of course, turf in the backyard, so you don't have to worry about maintaining that backyard. And the most important thing is of homes of this caliber is plenty of privacy. The landscaping upgrades in the hedges, an upgrade as well. So folks, if you're interested in taking a look at this home, make sure you reach out. You can text me, call me, email me today for your private tour. My name is Greg DiTullio, and if you'd like to learn more about this Del Webb Nocatee community, click on this next video.